First things first, add the oil to the pan and just let it heat up for about a minute. Next we're going to add the onions and just let the onions cook for about 2 to 5 minutes. Add as much onions or as little as you like, it's up to you, your choice. Give it a good stir and just let it cook. Next thing, you can add some garlic. I'm just adding some chopped garlic just to give it a little bit of flavor, but this is optional. Stir, 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 make sure everything is mixed nicely together. Okay, goes in the tomatoes. You can cook the tomatoes for about 5 to 7 minutes. Here I'm just adding a little bit of salt for flavor, some dried seasoning, so ginger, black pepper, white pepper, a little bit of chili. Stir it all together. Looking a little bit brownish. This is how I like it, so I know it's cooking. Give it a good stir. Just covered it and cooked it again for about 2 more minutes. Now I'm just adding the spinach. And I'm just going to mix it all together. Keep mixing until everything is incorporated. Okay, as you can see, I've been mixing for a while, just making sure everything is nice and blended together. You don't want to cook this for too. So this is the finished product. Sorry, my video cut out earlier. This is it.